In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scenario in Make.com. This tutorial is perfect if you're looking to automate tasks and streamline workflows. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Make.com website. If you're not already familiar with it, Make.com is a powerful tool that facilitates automation by connecting various apps and services. Once you're on the Make dashboard, you'll see a tab labeled Scenarios at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Scenarios page where you can see any scenarios you've set up previously, as well as create new ones. Now, let's initiate the creation of a new scenario by selecting the Create Scenario button. This is where the real magic begins as you choose what actions you want to automate. In this example, we're going to integrate Gmail, so our next step is to click on Gmail when prompted. This page is designed to help you get started with various actions and triggers related to Gmail. For our scenario today, we will select the option to copy an email or a draft into a selected folder. By doing this, we can automate the organization of our Gmail inbox, making it much more efficient. Once you choose this action, you will need to set up a connection. Connections establish a secure link between Make.com and your email account, ensuring that data can flow smoothly between them. Click on the Connection button to begin setting it up. This process will guide you through the necessary steps. Within this setup, you'll see various settings. Highlighting the execution ID and the email ID UID are particularly important here as they allow you to specify which emails are processed and how. Once you've detailed all your selections and confirmed them, you'll be prompted to create a connection. For Gmail, this will involve signing in with Google to authorize Make.com to manage your emails. This step is crucial for security and ensuring your data is protected. Next, let's move on to integrating Discord, which is another powerful communication tool. Start by selecting Discord when given the option, as we want to ensure that any specific messages in your Discord channels are returned appropriately. After setting this up, remember to hit Save to preserve any configurations you've initiated. Finally, Make.com will present you with another option to create a connection. This mirrors the process we went through with Gmail, establishing a secure connection with Discord. After you've completed this, make sure everything is saved and secured by clicking Save one more time. And that's it. You've now successfully created a scenario on Make.com, linking your Gmail and Discord accounts into a seamless workflow. This scenario will result in automated processes that save you time and effort. Thank you for tuning in, and do explore other scenarios you can create, customizing automation to perfectly fit your needs.